in your room vacuuming and everything today, and the desk is a disaster. You're gonna clean it right now. You know I get sick and tired of repeating myself to you over and over again. Let's go. Do you have homework? How much? What is it? Oh, what? Okay, let's go. Go clean it, and this way you can do your homework in your room.
Surprise! You like it?
Yeah.
What do you think?
Good.
You like my little lie?
I knew you were good. Oh, mommy, this mess right here is
I wasn't. Oh,
Hey, where's my hug, buddy? Oh,
You
jeez.
said hug. You said you wanted it.
How much do you love it?
Good.
Happy birthday, Merry Christmas.
Okay, that's three.
Oh, wait, he's gonna sing. Oh, careful. No.
No, it's my birthday was in December.
That's his birthday Christmas present.
Oh, you like your room now?
Okay, Nicholas, get down. Hey, Nicholas, get down. Get down so
Why did
Anthony
it
can...
choke me?
So what do you think? Anthony, what do you think?
What? Good.
You better love it. I didn't spend a lot of time making it for nothing.
Now you gotta put that plant.
I'm not putting a plant.
The one that eats, you know?
What?
Yeah, you can make that.